Meet Dino AI, Paradime's AI-powered co-pilot, and discover why we call it the cursor for data. With Dino AI, data teams work up to 10 times faster, and it assists you throughout every step of your analytics engineering workflow. Let's explore the key features. Beyond prompting Dino AI with any requests, you can leverage our battle-tested prompts. Here, you can accomplish tasks like generating pull request descriptions, building custom prompts to suit your team's needs, and much more. Dino AI seamlessly connects to your data warehouse. Watch as it requests permission, scans for new tables, and automatically updates your sources.yaml file. This saves your team hours of manual schema maintenance. Enforce team standards automatically with Dino Rules. This file lets you define rules and best practices that you want Dino AI to follow. You can provide SQL-style guidelines, materialization strategies, documentation requirements, and testing standards. It's version controlled by default, ensuring consistent, high-quality code across your entire team. Watch Dino AI build DBT models. Provide a prompt describing what you need, then add context, like specific files or folders for best results. Review the generated model, modify as needed, and implement when it meets your expectations. Beyond building models, Dino AI streamlines GitOps. Click Write Commit, and it generates clear commit messages explaining your changes. You can also use prompts to create detailed pull request descriptions, making code reviews faster for your team. Dino AI excels at debugging. When a DBT run fails, highlight the error message and add it directly to Dino AI. It identifies the issue, recommends a fix, and you can validate it works. Resolve Delta tickets in hours instead of weeks using our Jira and Linear integrations. Simply paste a ticket URL or ID, and Dino AI scans the issue and provides an immediate solution. Dino AI works beyond the code IDE. When DBT runs fail in production with Bolt, it identifies broken pipelines and recommends fixes automatically. Test the fix directly from the interface to ensure it resolves the issue. Track column-level lineage to understand exactly how data flows from source to final model. The Column-Level Lineage Explorer provides an interactive diagram showing data transformations, plus detailed documentation of business logic and key dependencies. Need up-to-date information? The Perplexity integration accesses real-time web knowledge. This is especially useful when new DBT versions release. Dino AI fetches the latest syntax and helps you update your project accordingly. Dino AI integrates with Slack for production monitoring. When a Bolt run fails, you'll receive a notification with an error summary, and you can solve it directly. Finally, measure usage and drive AI adoption across your team. See exactly how Dino AI is being used for debugging, model building, or web searches. And track individual credit usage to monitor costs and optimize adoption. Dino AI makes data teams more efficient across every analytics engineering workflow, from developing DBT models to debugging production runs. This is why we call it the cursor for data. Try it free with your data team today.